The most annoying music in the world. God, please save us. We're gonna stalk him. He can't see us.
I'm going to get his ass over here. Ooh, Dad's in the grass.
I'm still recording, and you just cussed. Fuck. Stop it. You ready? Stop.